everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to make a video. Maybe I'll make a card, but what I wanted to do is show you how you can do some different techniques with your dies. So what I'm going to do is take this Hugs die and do like an ombre effect with some embossing powder. Actually, it's just not necessarily ombre, it's just like do some embossing, like half of the die, to give it a sparkle effect on half of the bottom portion of this die. So I'll show you the technique and we'll see how it looks on the card. So maybe you might want to try this and incorporate this in your crafting. Okay, so I'm going to get started and show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to do this on some black cardstock. You can do this on any colors you wish. It looks really really in gold and black. You can use this with some glitter cardstock, actually glitter embossing powder. So I have this taped down and I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. This is on some scrap paper. Okay, I have this is the Artisan Explorer. It's discontinued. I love this little machine. I wish they had not done this. It's a really good machine. It's like the perfect size for card making. Okay. Alright, so what you want to do is take out your die cut like this. It's a nice size. And get some scratch paper as well. Okay, I have this Hugs. I'm just taking it out. Okay. And then pop out all the pieces. So here it is, like that. And then you want to get some washi tape to tape off half of the die so you don't get the embossing powder on it or the embossing ink. So I'm going to get some tape. Okay, so what you want to do is get some scratch paper. Let's see, I got too many sheets here, but you want to take your die and cover up half of it, preferably the top part, like so. And then if you want to cover up more, you can cover up that part. Alright, and then we are going to emboss the bottom. And we're just going to put some embossing ink on the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to switch because I got ink on the paper. I'm going to switch to a clean piece. Okay, and then you can take off the sticky washi tape because you'll get embossing powder on it. And then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter embossing powder. over the bottom portion of the die. And this is how it looks so far. And then we're going to hit this with the heat tool. Okay, I just need to put this extra glitter embossing powder back into the container. Okay, get my embossing heat tool and let it heat up. There that is right there. Plug that in and then watch the magic happen. Okay. And there you have it. It looks like that. Really, really pretty. So I hope you found this helpful and you'll give this a try. Just some different looks for your dies and idea. I'm sure it's nothing new, but I just thought I'd try something different. Okay, so take care and I hope you have a fabulous day.